Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to find sum of first and natural number in Python using while loop. This line in the coding is the command. It always begins with a hash symbol. Do not print the output on the output screen. It is just displayed to provide the extra information. As we have to find sum of first and natural number beginning with 1, we initialize loop control variable CTR with value 1. When we want to find sum of any number, we must assume some variable to be initialized to 0 always. So here we have initialized sum and variable to 0. In the while loop, while is a reserved word written in a lowercase letter followed by a test condition CTR less than equals to 10. Our program loop control variable CTR is initialized with 1. It checks for the value of CTR up to 10. The loop shall be executing till this value. Don't forget to give colon after the test condition. Here we have taken initial value of CTR as 1. Now while loop will check whether CTR is less than equals to 10. The condition is true. The body of the loop is executed and again the control condition of the loop is tested and the loop continues as long as the condition remains true. When the test condition of this condition becomes false, the loop is not entered again and the control is transferred to the statement immediately following the body of the loop, that is the print. As we know that 1 is less than equals to 10, so it will go inside the body of the while loop, that is sum n equals to sum n plus CTR. Initial value is 0 and CTR initial value is 1. So new sum n value will become 1. Now again increment the value of CTR by 1. We know that CTR initial value was 1. So 1 plus 1 becomes 2. Now CTR value becomes 2. CTR value is again tested in the test expression whether CTR value is less than equals to 10 or not. That is 2 is less than equals to 10 or not. If it is true, then it will go again inside the body of the while loop. Otherwise, control is transferred to the statement immediately following the body of the loop, that is the print statement. We know that 2 is less than equals to 10. Test condition is true and it will go inside the body of the loop, that is sum n equals to sum n plus CTR. Previous sum n value was 1 and CTR present value is 2, so the sum n becomes 3. Now increment the value of CTR again by 1, that is 3. Now increment the value of CTR again, so now 2 plus 1 equals to 3, so CTR new value now becomes 3. Now check it again whether 3 is less than equals to 10. We know that 3 is less than equals to 10 is true. Now go inside the body of the loop, sum n equals to sum n plus CTR. Sum n previous value was 3 and CTR new value is 3. So 3 plus 3 now becomes 6 as the new sum. Increment the value of CTR again, 3 plus 1, so CTR new value now becomes 4. Check again whether 4 is less than equals to 10 or not. We know that 4 is less than equals to 10 is true. So go again inside the body of the loop, sum n equals to sum n plus CTR. Sum n equals to 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. So 10 becomes the new value of sum n. Increment the value of CTR again, 4 plus 1 becomes 5. Continue this process till the CTR value reaches 10. As soon as CTR value reaches 10, calculate sum n equals to sum n plus CTR. CTR value becomes greater than 10, that is when the test outcome of this condition becomes false, the loop is not entered again and the control is transferred to the print statement following the while loop, that is sum of first and natural number is sum n. Sum n will replace the value that is calculated in the while loop in the output. Here the output will be sum of first and natural number is 55. Thanks for watching it. Like and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos.